In Isiolo County, inmates at the Isiolo GK prison will now have a more comfortable time behind bars following the donation of mattresses, blankets, soaps and other personal effects courtesy of the Star of the Hope Association, that's SOHA, an Islamic organization working in Isiolo County. Speaking to journalists when he handed over the donation to the officers in charge of the prison, the Administrator General for the Star of Hope Association, Sheikh Ahmed said that members of public ought to perceive the prison as a corrective facility and not a place for condemned individuals, and therefore help them in the journey of correcting their mistakes before rejoining.
Ni mattress 50, 30, blanketi 50, sabuni vipande 400 na vifaa vya kutumiwa ya toilet paper ambayo pia ni 400. Kwa hivyo hii msaada imetolewa kupitia usaidizi wa Sheikh Qari Abdurazak ambaye pia ni msimamizi wetu katika SOHA headquarters.
Na shukuru sana shirika hili la charity organization yenye imeongozwa na Sheikh Kali, kwa sababu mara mingi tumepata msaada kutoka kwao.